Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about NTVS College of Law, an institute of legal education and research. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Nandurbar, and this college is also affiliated to the Khavayitri Bahinabai Chaudhary North Maharashtra University. Talking about the admission process, so basically there are two examinations. If you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination, and if you are preparing for 5 years integrated law program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET exam. So first step comes here is to prepare for the exam. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. उसके बाद आपको मिलता है हॉल टिकट. हॉल टिकट में एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर लिखा हुआ होता है. आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. देन यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, वेरिन यू आर सपोज टू सिलेक्ट द कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आपको एक कॉलेज एलोकेट होता है. आपको वो कॉलेज में जाके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन करना होता है, एंड देन फाइनली यू गेट एडमिशन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉ कॉलेज. So this was the admission process. Moving on to the number of seats available in this college, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, this college offer 120 seats, and also for 5 years integrated law program, this college offer 120 seats. Moving on to the expected score required in 2021 examination, if you are targeting this law college, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 72 marks out of total 150 marks, and in terms of 5 years integrated law program, you need to score more than 59 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. So in case if you've started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store. Also the link is available in the description box. So you can download it and attempt this mock test, and accordingly you can come to know your preparation level. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post your question in the comment section. Also you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to the website which is www.beducare.com. And अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, then you can start your preparation for CET law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET law exam. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lectures program, and we provide books as well as mock exams. So our application is available on Play Store. Also it is available on Apple Store. You can download the application and access the mock test. You can also access to the other courses provided there in the application. So in case if you wish to know more about this college, and if you wish to know more about Maharashtra CET law exam, then you can contact us. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.